Let's show Dada how we play on his computer while he's at work. You're doing important work. Yeah, we gotta check the NASDAQ for today. The Dow is down, so, you know, I mean, I'm dealing with $1 billion in people's funds. This is not a joke. People depend on me, their lives, their families, their estates, their companies. You know, I don't just work for me. I work for the people. Oh, Jesus Christ. Down 200 points. Blast. I told them. I said sell. No one listens to me. No one listens to me. Is that Dada's mouse? Is that Daddy's mouse? Don't smash his mouse. Yay! I love you.